down south to the land of the pines. I'm thumbing my way to North Carolina, staring up the road and pray to God I see headlights. I made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking me a bouquet of dogwood flowers, and I'm hoping for Raleigh I can see my baby tonight. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Running from the cold up in New England, I was born to be a feather in an old town string band. My baby plays the guitar, I pick a banjo now. Oh, North Country winters keep forgetting me, and I lost my mind in playing poker, so I had to up and leave. But I ain't turning back to live that old life no more. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Walking due south out of Roanoke, I caught a trucker out of Philly, had a nice long toke. But he's headed west from the Cumberland Gap to Johnson City, Tennessee. And I gotta get a move on before the sun. I hear my baby calling my name, and I know that she's the only one. And if I die in Raleigh, at least I will die free. So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind and the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me.
A little out of place, a little out of tune, so lost in space, racing them on, climbing the walls of a hurricane. Still overall, I can't complain. All I wanted was one chance to let freedom reign. You said I had to get a permit, tags and everything. I never made it through the red tape. I got this paper hat, I got a job working weekdays. You want sides with that? I got nothing to lose, nothing to gain. It's like a one-way ticket to cruise in the passing lane. I can't complain. I was talking with my girlfriend, I told her I was stressed. I said I'm going off the deep end. She said, God, for once give it a rest. We're all waiting in a dugout, we're thinking we should pitch. How you gonna throw a shutout if all you do is bitch? I got nothing to lose, nothing to gain. It's like a one-way one-way ticket to cruise in the passing lane. I can't complain. Now I got a brand new dance. I need one more shot. I just need one last chance. You know I won't get caught. I wanna make my last stand. This time I can't be bought. Then again, on the other hand, how much have you got? I got nothing to lose, nothing to gain. It's like a one-way ticket to cruise in a passing lane. I can't complain. The loudest place, the loudest tune, so lost in space, racing that moon, climbing the walls of this hurricane. Still overall, I can't complain. Still overall, I can't complain. Hey, how are you all? I can't complain. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's a better on me waiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky.